Hey guys, this is Eve with Scrapbooking with Me, and I've had quite a few people that have contacted me because evidently our billing service is already sending out, it's not reminders, but it's just kind of like a little statement that says you have a payment for the next subscription for the e-club coming up on such and such day. So I've had lots and lots of questions about, well, when am I going to get the first one? I'm already fixing to get billed for the second one. I haven't got the first one yet. As we had told you in lots of different things, our very first kit is the February kit. We did not have a January kit. I've had lots of questions about that, thinking that they might have missed the January kit. We did not have a January kit. We were running a little bit late on trying to get everything going, so we just couldn't get all of the product together to do January. So our first kit is this one. It's in this box right here. And I'm just going to show you quite a few of the items that are going to be in the kit. And the reason I'm doing this is because a lot of the kits have already been shipped out. Most of them will be shipped out probably by Wednesday. Everything should be, all of the kits should be gone. We have close to, I think, 70 kits for February, so we should have all of those out of here by Wednesday night, sometime like that. We've got lots of people working in the background that are putting kits and things together. But you will get your kit in a box like this. This is a 13 by 8.5, I think, inch box. So it will come in there. And the first thing you'll see when you open your kit up is you'll see a little letter from me that just explains where all your links are to the PDF file, to the YouTube demo, your discount code, and I'm not going to show that on screen because the discount code is just specifically for you guys, members of the Kit Club. So you'll have that letter in there that'll give you lots and lots of information. And then I'm going to lay this one aside because I've got one kind of sorted out here already. And it comes in this nice bag. All of your little pieces will come in this bag. This bag is waterproof. So if your box was to happen to get wet or snow on it, whatever, this is waterproof. So nothing inside is going to be damaged. It would have to really sit in the water for a period of time because these are nice bags. They can be used over and over again. I've got my markers in these and everything. So this bag alone is, these are $2.99 or $3.99. I can't remember. This is a A4 size. This one may be $3.99 each. So that alone is a good thing right there. Then inside that bag, your paper. So this is the Prima Midnight Garden. This is one of the new collections from Prima. It is double-sided 6x6 papers. So I'm going to show you these. Most all of you will get 2 sheets of each style. Some of you may get 3 of each style. So there's that one and that side. I love the little, it looks like feather, it looks like water has dripped on it and made little feathers and things. I love that. That's so pretty. And then there's that one. That's cute. And then there's the back side. So that one, you get 3. This person is getting 3. The way that the packs were, some people, when we divided everything up, some people got 3 of one style, some people got 2, but everybody got 2 of every style. Some of you may have just got the 3rd one. And isn't that pretty? Oh, I'm so excited about this paper. I have been working with it now for a week or so, and oh my goodness, very excited. That's pretty. There's the back side. So you have a little bit of solid color in case you want to do something that needs solid. And then there's the feathers. And in the ephemera pack, they have different feathers that have the gold foil on them. So that's that. There's the green. And then here is this beautiful rose pattern. Isn't that pretty? And this looks like there was 3 of this one too. And then the back is more of a solid in case you want to mute something down. And I think each one of you get 15. Let's see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yes. So you get 15 sheets of that. So that's a nice deal right there. Then in the ephemera pack, I'm not going to pull every piece out, but I'm just going to show you. There's some beautiful ephemera in here with some nice gold foil. Sorry about the glare. Beautiful roses, some feathers with some gold foil. And then you get lots and lots of flowers. Some of them have the beads inside. Some of them have the little bling on them. And then, of course, you're going to get bling. You're going to get bling in every one of the e-kits. I guess you know that by now. If you don't like bling, give it away. Give it to somebody else. But it wouldn't be one of my kits if we didn't put bling in it, would it? But these are actually turned upside down. Let's see if I've got mine somewhere that I've been working with so I can show you. Yeah, here are mine. Now, I've been working a little bit with mine, so I've probably got some of them off of there, but you get some bling. It's from the Midnight Garden as well, so it's in all the same colors. So that is your ephemera, and I want to say each person gets 15 pieces of the ephemera as well. And then I don't know how many flowers. I just took a handful and put them down in your pack. Then, let's see, let's show you you get the ephemera cards from the Midnight Garden. These are double-sided. So we'll just go through these really quick. I love that one. And I'm thinking these might be 15 as well. I'm not sure. They counted out so many different things that it was kind of hard to keep up with everything. I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to flip them over and kind of show you the other side. Isn't that one pretty? I love it. So the other side is that muted, looks like kind of a stone to wash solid. So you could use either side. And let's see, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Yes, so you get 15 of those. So that's that. Then you're going to get 5 of the shipping tags, and these are let's see what size these are. I can find a ruler. 3.5 by, looks like 5 1/4. So this is a good size shipping tag. You get 5 of those. You get some, we don't like those brown hole reinforcements there, so you get some hole reinforcements that we have already colored for you, wherever they might be. Hold on, let me find them. Okay, I can't find them right there. Okay, let me just grab these. These are some that I've already done, that we've already colored up for you. You'll get some hole reinforcements. You won't get a whole sheet of these because you don't need a whole sheet with your kit, but you'll have some that are colored up, the brown, and then some that are colored up in this, let's see what color that's called. That is called Tattered Rose. So some will be colored in the Vintage Photo, and some will be colored in the Tattered Rose. And those will match your kit, so you'll get some of those. So let's lay that back aside. You will also get a little bag that has some, this is twine. It's not string, it's twine. It's like a solid black baker's twine. And you get 2 yards of that. And then you get some, I think about 6 inches of this beautiful lace from Cindy's Vintage Cafe. So you get that. You get a bottle of frosted lace stickles. You know I love my stickles. You get a color box, pigment brush pad, and black. So that's a little ink pad. Then you're going to get a pack of sequins, and these have hearts in them, and then circles, iridescent, lots of different colors in there. I don't know how many's in here. We just took a big scoop and scooped some in there. And then you'll also get some of these little metal hearts, and they're little metal silver hearts. Maybe you can see that. You'll get, I don't know, I think it's 8 or 9 of those in each pack. So those are really cute. We're going to be using those on one of the projects. Then you will get, and we're not half finished yet. Then you will get a 5 strips of the pop dots that I use. Love these pop dots. You'll get a strip of 5, and I think that's, let's see, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's 50 pop dots that you'll get. And then you get a magnet, and this is the positive and the negative magnet. You get one of our basic grade magnets in your kit, and you'll see how I use all this stuff when you see the videos. Then you will get a die. Now some of you will get this die that just says someone special, has a little butterfly on it. Some of you may get the little love die. Let me grab the other two. Okay, so these are the 3 dies that we had to go with because none of these companies had enough of one that we could go with all 70 kits. So this one is from X-Cut, and it says someone special, and it has a little tiny butterfly on it. So some will get that one. This one is from Couture Creations, and it says love, and it's got the little hearts down below it. So that is really cute. I love that one. And then this one is from Penny Black, and it says Soulmates. So that's the die right there, and that's just showing it on a card. So I don't know who's going to get what, but one of these dies will be in your kit. Then you will get, most of these little things will be in a vellum bag that we'll also use on our little project that we're doing. I started to tell you, I have to watch what I'm saying. Then you will get a piece of chipboard. This is a lightweight chipboard. It's 5 inches by 11 inches. It's already cut for you to the size that you're going to need for your project. So you get that. Then you get a piece of vellum. You get 2 A7 size card bases. This is a card base, and then 2 A7 size envelopes to go with that. So I'm going to slide these under here. I'm trying to keep this where you can see everything. Oh, that's my stickles. Let's lay that one over there. Then you will get a little piece of Tyvek. So when you see this in your kit, don't throw it away, because we're going to use that on one of our projects. So it's a little piece of Tyvek that's cut. And if you don't know what Tyvek is, I explained that in the video. Then you will get some pearls. So that is in your kit. You will get a piece of burlap. So that's in your kit. And you will get some black cardstock. And this black cardstock is basically cut down to size. You may have to cut this little piece a little bit, but these are cut down to size for you. So that's cut for you. And one of the absolute best things that is in this kit that I'm so excited about is the May stamp. Now, I want you to look at this. They designed this stamp specifically for our kit. This is not in her shop. This is not something that you can just run and buy. So please don't go and bug her about it, and don't go and ask her, can you get the stamp? She may put these in at a later date, but they will not go in until after our Kit Club members get their kits. They will receive these first off. And this is called Layered Rose, and it is going to be a layered rose. You know, you put this one down first, put this one on the top of it, and you layer all these leaves and things. If you have ever seen anybody do the layered look on their cards, like Jennifer McGuire, these are absolutely fantastic, and they did a wonderful job on these. In the video, I will do some stamping with this on a card, so I will show you how these work. And then also, May is going to show, she's going to do a demo on these after everybody receives their kits. She is going to do a demo on this, showing how this particular stamp set can be used in many, many ways. So watch for that. That link is also on the paperwork that you'll get in your kit. So that is fantastic, is it not? Oh, I'm so excited about that. Now, that is all I'm going to show you right now. That doesn't mean that's all that's in the kit, but that's all I'm going to show you right this minute. So for all of you who are wondering, is this kit going to be worth it? Is this kit big enough? Is it going to be worth everything that's in this kit? We have added everything up to make sure, we made sure that everybody was getting their money's worth out of it. So we have took the retail value of this kit, the retail value of just the kit, not counting the PDF file and the exclusive YouTube video that I'll be doing for you and all that, just the value of the pieces that go in the kit are valued at $49.95, and you're paying $34.95. So you're getting a super duper deal. Plus, then the PDF file, I usually charge about $20 to $25 for a PDF file that's the size of this one that you'll be getting. So there's another, say, $20. And then I usually, for a YouTube video, if somebody wants me to do just a personal YouTube video for them, showing them how to do a kind of a larger project, then I will do that, but I charge them about $25 to do it. So that's another, say, $50 on top of the $50 worth in this kit. So you're definitely getting your money's worth. It is absolutely, like I said, I'm so excited I'm beside myself. Now, I am going to show you, we are making one of the projects that we will be making, and I'm telling this out there for everybody to listen to, but this is mainly for you guys, for the Kit Club. Nobody else is going to get the PDF or the video on how to do this. If you're not in the Kit Club, you don't get this. But one of the things that we're going to be doing is a little mini album, and this is my front cover of my mini album so far. I will be showing you how to do all of this, how to put your pages in, how to make your pocket pages, everything. But that is my front cover to this point. Okay? That, like I said, that's just pieces and parts of it. Alright, I hope that this eases your mind that the kits are going to be well more than worth the $34.95 that you'll be paying for them. And remember, you're also getting free shipping. So the shipping is going to cost us about $6.95 to ship these boxes out for this size box. So you're also getting free shipping in the United States. So I would say I would definitely join. If I wasn't having to do these, I would definitely join it. But anyway, I wanted to tell you guys that. I also want to tell you that all of the February kits have been sold out for a month now. Well, almost a month. We're coming up on the month, but they sold out in just a few days. The March kits are sold out completely, and we added 50 more kits onto the March, and they're already sold out. We've got the March product in-house, but we just haven't started putting it together yet. But we got all that we could get for the March kits from our supplier, and everything. All the March kits are sold out. Now, let me tell you this. If we have cancellations for the March kit, and it's possible that we could have somebody that gets this kit and says, no, I don't want to do it. I don't want to have it. Because like we told you, you can sign up and drop out and sign up anytime you want. But all February people are going to be getting this February kit. It's too late to drop out for February. If some people drop out of the March kits and you want to be on the waiting list, then please email me, and my email is below. Email me your name and address and all of that so that we can put you on the waiting list. I already have a few on that waiting list, so just let me know if you want to be on that waiting list in case somebody backs out for the March kit. Alright guys, we will talk to you later. Just wanted to show you that and give you a little heads up on what's going to be in your kit. Thanks so much for watching. We'll talk to you.